On the north side of Etna, you find this lovely small town called Randazzo. It's located 760 meters above sea level and has about 10,000 inhabitants. And it's also in the middle of the popular Etna Wine district, and it's known for all the small wine bars in the small alleys selling local wine and local food produce. And that is one of the big highlights, and also the Lava Church in the old town. Randazzo comes from the Greek language, but being affected by numerous populations like the rest of Sicily, like Romans, Arabs and Normans. But it is originally a medieval city. Unfortunately, this area has a huge decline of tourists because of lockdowns and all other regulation during the years. But it's still worth a visit because it has kept its originality.